This video sponsored by Value Testers. Great promo offer on Testo, Fieldpiece, and Bacharach. Free 2-day shipping on purchase of $200 or more on selected seasonal testing equipment. Link in description below.
Morning, guys. It is March 27, 2019. So here I got a call for gas furnace not working. And I believe I have worked on this system before. It's a newer system someone put in, super high efficiency, piece of junk type of thing. Bryant, I think it's a Bryant. Anyway, he says the fan's running, but it's not heating the house. Somebody give him the full blessing with this system. Oh yeah, next level. Next level. Yeah, somebody gave him the full blessing. We'll go check it out. Maybe hopefully there's something simple. This Molly is working again, yo. Anyway. Got a couple of jobs lined up so far this morning, so we'll see what things come in. Try to get you some shots when I get there. Miss Molly, gonna wash the truck for me? I gotta go in and get this guy heat. We got it off up here. And the fan was running, you said?
Yeah.
You want to turn up the thermostat down there?
Turn it on?
Or turn it on, yeah.
Right.
This has got propane. That's on. You got a call in for heat or just fan on?
Heat at 70. It's now 60, 62, I think it's reading.
Well, so it's got a bad high limit there. Could be that. Oh, here we go. Well, she did fire up. It don't seem like you got a lot of flame going on in there. Could be the flame sensor. You said you got how much LP in the tank?
It's reading at 35.
What should it be?
They fill it up at 30.
Yeah, so you got to definitely call.
Yeah.
It's running over here. I'm gonna take it apart and clean the flame sensor, but
Now it's picking up.
it is running. It could be that it's, you know, getting low on pressure too, and it's throwing a reading, you know. This thing shakes like my grandfather. This thing shakes like my grandfather. Yeah, this thing's running. I could see it. Did you change the filter?
I just changed it this morning.
How bad was it?
Not that bad. I'd
What is it? One of them high efficiency things that it's blocked before you even put it in? One of them really high efficiency filters?
Well, it's got mesh on both sides. One side has the...
I want to look at it, but yeah. Yeah, you should be getting heat down there now, guy. Flame sensors in the back there. I gotta take it apart and clean that. Wasn't giving off any codes when I got here. He did have it off. Could be just low gas pressure starting to get low on the propane. It is LP, so.
Well, it's low and it's good in the liquid, but it's not warm air. It's just kind of air. It's not hot air.
Well, it's not gonna be 130. It's like 110 degree air.
It's not that.
It's running. I can see it running in here.
Yeah.
These high efficiency units don't give off real hot air.
Right.
They give off maybe 110 and not really hot. So it's going to take a while to heat up. Don't forget this house is cold in there. You got a hoodie on. How cold is it in there?
It's about inside.
Yeah, it's not gonna melt your hand in front of the register, you know?
No, but I mean it doesn't even feel warm.
Oh, it's running. Yeah, it's running. I shut it off and change that. Check that flame sensor. I'm gonna check the flame sensor over here.
Is that why you shut it off?
Yeah. I'm gonna clean it while I'm here, okay?
Okay.
You would figure they'd make this shit easy to work on, you know?
Right.
But no.
There should be plenty of fuel in there. Keep it running. They like to fill it up when it hits 30, and they fill it up to 50. No, they fill it up to 80, which is 50% of the capacity.
Well, we'll try it again. We'll turn it on and see if she fires. I did hit that reset rollout switch when I got here, but I don't know if it was tripped or not. It's good that we cleaned that flame sensor because you know that could have been your issue also.
What does that do?
That senses the flame when it first starts up,
Yeah.
and if it's dirty, it won't get a proper single, and then it'll drop the flame out.
Okay.
So it's designed to, you know, sense if you got flame in there.
You can move all that insulation if it's in the way. It's not doing anything.
Unless you got bats in your belfry. Maybe you got bats in your belfry.
Bats up here?
Oh, I'm only kidding. You never heard that saying?
Yeah. That's means I'm crazy.
No, I mean bats in your belfry. in the stack up there, you know.
Oh.
That goes up through the roof, the stack.
Yeah,
You know, I've seen birds get in there and all kinds of stuff, you know. Oh yeah.
You think that's causing an exhaust problem?
Well, it could. I mean, because they go in there for the heat. It's cold outside. They see it's nice and warm, and they crawl in the chimney, you know.
Yeah.
And then there's a problem with the vacuum switches won't open. Fire up.
Window. Will that affect how much propane is being used?
Well, if you got the window open, it's going to affect the propane, you know.
I gotta keep my window open because it gets about 100 degrees in there.
Why's that?
Because it's a like an 8x8 room. It's got a vent, a heat vent in there, so the hot air blows in when the doors close and all the electronics are on. That's why I open my window and I get the temperature down.
Yeah, it sounds like you got to, because all the electronics, huh? What are you, a gamer?
Yeah.
So that's where it gets all that heat from that computer. So the Xbox is what gets hot?
Xbox is very hot.
Well, like what, 100 degrees or something?
No, I don't have the fans on it.
Yeah, this thing just fired back up, guys, so... she's fired back up again. It's back working, yeah. Well, I did clean it while I was here. I think you should call for fuel. Yeah. Yeah, because you call them ahead of time, right? Well, I had it all apart. I had to clean the flame sensor. Give it some time. It's going to heat up. It's going to take a little while. This goes right up to the roof here. Could be just low on propane. It's possible. It says it's right down around 35 pounds. I usually fill it around 30. He's running. Oh, I'm surprised I didn't leave a tag last time I was here. You didn't grab it?
No.
Alright, so I cleaned the flame sensor, and you're gonna get some more propane, and she's running. It's a Bryant. Yeah, I want to look at them filters too on the way out. So this thing did say call for service, right?
Yeah, it said that call for service. This is the filter.
Okay, some of the ones I want you to run, yeah, okay, so that's not so bad.
These are the good ones? I mean, the cheap ones you're talking about?
Yeah, them are the ones, the Flanders, them are the ones you want to get, yeah.
And I get them over there in Fall River at...
Yeah, them are the ones. That's perfect. That's what I told you last time. Yeah, them are the ones.
And I've seen it heavier than, dirtier than this.
Yeah, no, that's not too bad, no.
Before.
Get some propane.
Yeah.
Hello, Miss Molly. Hello. How's my body, man? Looking very stylish today. Looking very stylish. So I did check the filter on there. It was a little dirty. And he's only got one return there in that house. I mean, he should have at least two. So it might have been a deal where there was tripping off on limit a couple of times and locked out. Call for service. So they said it said on the thermostat when he shut it off last night. So she's running fine. Clean the flame sensor while I'm there, and he's getting a little low on propane. You gotta call for propane. Let it ride. If it locks out again, we'll get the code on it at that point. When I got there, the system was shut off. Shut it off.